Hello and welcome everyone to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to cheat on chess.com. So first of all, cheating is not allowed and you will be banned. Okay, so you have to go to a game, start a game, select the difficulty. Okay, now the first thing we have to do is to go to Google and find chess next move and select this first website. So now I'm going to do this. I'm going to split my screen. I'm going to put this here and this here. Excellent. Okay, now what do we have to do? Okay, see, if you're blacks, you have to flip the board, pressing this flip button. Okay, so it's time to do our first movement. So when you do your first move, you have to go to this website. You have to select the pawn and put it here, and you have to do the same movement as your enemy did. So in this case, it's like here. And then you press calculate next move. You wait a few seconds to this to load. It's calculating the next move, and you have to press here, and the movement will be done. Okay, so you grab your horse and you put here. Wait the enemy to do a movement. It did. Okay, excellent. So now you have to do the same movement as your enemy again. In this case, it's like this, and you press calculate next move. Excellent, now the movement will be done, so we do the same thing, wait the enemy to make a movement, so the enemy did this, excellent, so now we press calculate next move again. Okay, so the movement says that we have to eat this pawn, now the enemy is going to do the movement again, in this case it was like that. Calculate next move, excellent, so I'm going to speed up this game to see you that this is working. And as you can see, we won this game. Very simple. It took some time, but this application works. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in another Easy Way video. Goodbye.